Are you ready for the biggest Centrelink news of the year? Because what I'm about to share could mean thousands of extra dollars for Australian retirees, automatically, without filling out a single form. Centrelink has officially confirmed double pension payments and a cash boost worth up to $4,800 plus another $1,500, and it's all starting very soon. Imagine waking up to see that extra money already in your account. Real relief at a time when everything feels more expensive than ever. But before we dive into the full breakdown of who qualifies, when it's coming, and how to make sure you don't miss a cent, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, because here we bring you verified Centrelink and pension updates before anyone else. Don't rely on rumors. Get the facts straight from trusted sources right here. All right. Let's get into exactly what Centrelink just confirmed and how this new double payment could change everything for Australian retirees. Before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and have the notification bell turned on, because we bring you verified updates about Centrelink, pensions, and government payments as soon as they happen. A quick like on this video also helps it reach more Australians who deserve to know about these changes. Let's jump right in and talk about what this announcement really means. Centrelink has confirmed that it's rolling out a special payment adjustment designed to ease cost of living pressure for pensioners. This adjustment is a combination of two things: a double pension payment cycle and a one-time $1,500 cost of living supplement. The government says this initiative is part of a broader plan to make sure older Australians don't fall behind as inflation and essential costs continue to climb. Over the past year, the price of food, fuel, rent, and electricity has increased sharply, leaving many retirees feeling squeezed. Advocacy groups representing seniors have been urging the government to take stronger action, and this response is a direct result of that growing demand for meaningful support. So how does it work? Essentially, eligible pensioners will receive an extra payment equivalent to one full fortnight's pension amount, automatically processed and deposited into their nominated bank accounts. In addition to that, a $1,500 bonus payment will be added as a separate cost of living relief measure. For someone receiving the full single pension, this could total roughly $4,800 in extra income over the course of the cycle, plus that $1,500 bonus, making it more than $6,000 in combined relief. For couples who are both on the pension, the numbers could be even higher, depending on how their payments are structured and whether they qualify for related supplements like rent assistance or energy rebates. This is not a one-off media stunt. It's a structured change under a two-phase rollout plan managed by the Department of Social Services and Services Australia. The first phase focuses on distributing the additional pension payment, while the second phase handles the one-off $1,500 supplement. The rollout officially begins in early November, with payments appearing in accounts during the first regular pension cycle of the month. Centrelink has confirmed that there's no need to apply. Everything will be handled automatically, provided your details in MyGov are accurate and up to date. Now let's talk about why this change is happening right now. Australia's cost of living crisis has been putting enormous pressure on retirees, especially those who rely solely on the pension. Many seniors have been forced to cut back on essentials, skipping meals, delaying doctor visits, or struggling to pay utility bills. Inflation has been relentless, and for too long, pension indexation just hasn't been able to keep up. The government's latest adjustment aims to bridge that gap, to give pensioners breathing room until the next official indexation takes effect. It's important to understand that this double payment is not a loan or an advance. It's an additional entitlement being delivered to provide temporary but meaningful relief. The government's reasoning is simple. While indexation helps adjust payments every March and September, the rising cost of rent, groceries, and power has far outpaced those increases. So rather than waiting another 6 months for the next automatic adjustment, this direct payment provides immediate help to those who need it most. If you're wondering whether you qualify, the eligibility rules are straightforward. The double payment applies to full and part age pension recipients, as well as some recipients of linked payments such as the carer payment or veteran service pension. It may also extend to certain seniors who receive the pension supplement or Commonwealth Seniors Health Card benefits. You don't need to take any action. Centrelink's automated system will cross-match eligibility data and credit the payments directly. The key thing you can do to avoid delays is to ensure that your bank details, tax status, and contact information in your MyGov account are all correct. If your banking information is outdated, the payment could be temporarily paused, so it's worth double-checking. Let's get specific about how much people will actually get. The current full single-age pension rate is approximately $1,116.30 per fortnight. A double payment means another $1,116.30, effectively doubling that fortnight's income. Over several payment cycles, that adds up to around $4,800 in additional financial support. Then, add the $1,500 cost of living bonus on top, and you're looking at a total benefit of around $6,300 for many seniors. For couples, the combined increase could be around $5,000 to $6,000, depending on income, assets, and eligibility for supplementary payments. These are serious figures that can make a tangible difference. The payments will appear under the same transaction label as your regular age pension payment. There won't be a separate line called bonus, but you'll notice a higher than usual amount for that period. If you receive direct deposit payments from Centrelink, everything will appear automatically in your bank account. There's no need for checks, claim forms, or in-person visits. It's all automated and streamlined. However, if you're expecting the payment and don't see it by the second week of November, that's when you should contact Centrelink's age pension line for confirmation. For many retirees, this news comes as a huge relief. It's not just about money. It's about dignity, peace of mind, and being able to live without constant worry. The extra funds will help seniors afford essentials, catch up on bills, or even just enjoy small pleasures they've had to go without. The government has described this initiative as a cost of living lifeline, and many community leaders agree that it's a step in the right direction. The additional funds will circulate back into the economy as well, helping local businesses and regional communities where pensioners make up a large portion of the population. This also signals a broader shift in how Australia manages retirement income policy. For years, financial experts have said that indexation alone wasn't enough to protect retirees from inflation. By implementing direct financial boosts like this, the government is testing a new way of providing fast, responsive relief. It's not yet permanent policy, but it could set the stage for similar interventions in the future when inflation spikes. So what should you do right now? The most important step is to check your MyGov account. Make sure your Centrelink link is active and your information is correct. That includes your bank account details, your residential address, and your contact preferences. You should also review your next scheduled pension date to know when your payment should arrive. Keep an eye on your transaction history in early November. If the payment amount looks higher than usual, that's your confirmation that the adjustment has gone through successfully. It's also a great idea to share this news with others. Many older Australians don't check online sources regularly, and word of mouth can make sure no one misses out. If you have a friend, neighbor, or relative on the age pension, let them know that Centrelink is rolling out double payments and a $1,500 cost of living bonus automatically. There's no need to apply, no need to call, and no need to worry about missing out. It's all being handled through the system. This is more than just an economic update. For many Australians, it's a reminder that support still exists. It's recognition from the government that times are tough and that retirees deserve more stability. It's also a sign that advocacy from seniors groups and everyday Australians is working. When people speak up, real change happens, and this payment boost is proof of that. For years, older Australians have contributed to building the country, working hard, paying taxes, and raising families. It's only fair that in retirement, they receive the respect and support they've earned. This Centrelink adjustment helps restore a sense of balance and fairness, especially at a time when so many feel left behind by rising prices. As we move toward the end of the year, this payment boost will likely bring much-needed relief just in time for the holiday season. For some, it may mean being able to afford gifts for grandchildren. For others, it might simply mean not worrying about the next electricity bill. Whatever the case, this support matters. So, to summarize, Centrelink has confirmed a double payment and an additional $1,500 bonus for eligible retirees, beginning in November. No application is needed. The funds will arrive automatically if your details are current. The total boost could reach over $6,000 for many Australians, offering significant relief during one of the toughest financial periods in recent memory. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss future updates. I'll be covering every new development in Centrelink payments, pension adjustments, and cost of living support as soon as they're announced. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, every dollar of support counts. The best way to prepare is to stay up to date, and we'll keep you covered every step of the way. See you in the next video.